Welcome to my Research Express. In this video, we will learn how to perform an interpolation in MATLAB. If we have data or a matrix and the corresponding y values, or this is the y value for every one step of x from 1 to 5. Suppose we want to get the y values for every 0.5 step of x, or, in other words, to increase the resolution. In statistics, we can obtain this through interpolation. Let us get started. First, define the new x values for interpolation. In this example, we want to get a y value for every 0.5 step of x from 1 to 5. Perform linear interpolation for y by typing this. Display the original and interpolated data. The code concludes by displaying both the original and interpolated 1D data using the plot function. This example demonstrates how to interpolate 1D data using linear interpolation. You can replace linear with other interpolation methods like spline and others as needed. As you can see here, the interpolated matrix has more data than the original because we increased the step or the resolution. Now, let's do the same with 2D data. Suppose that we have a 2D matrix like this. This script means that we start by creating a sample 2D matrix named original matrix using sine and cosine functions. This is grid data with a spatial resolution of 1 by 1 in an area of 5 by 5. Let's interpolate this 2D matrix to build new grid data that has a spatial resolution of 0.5 by 0.5 with the same width area. Define the new grid for interpolation using the meshGrid function. Perform bilinear interpolation using interp2 function. Then, display the original and interpolated matrices. The code concludes by displaying both the original and interpolated matrices using the image_sc function. This example demonstrates how to interpolate a 2D matrix using linear interpolation. You can replace linear with other interpolation methods like cubic or nearest as needed. As you can see here, the interpolated matrix on the right side has more data than the original ones because we increased the step or the resolution from 1 to 0.5. That's all for this video. For a more comprehensive explanation and step-by-step guide, please go to the link in the description. If you find this video useful and helpful, please support me by clicking the like and subscribe buttons. Don't forget to ring the bell so you don't miss the other learning videos from my Research Express. Your gateway to data analysis mastery. Thank you for watching.